Anthropic just broke their #1 safety promise. Did you even hear about it? Anthropic, you know, the AI company that always said that they were the most responsible, the most careful, the most safe. In 2023, Anthropic promised to never train an AI system without guaranteeing the safety measures were good enough first. That's the promise, the thing that made them different from everyone else. And then in February 2026, while everyone was looking the other way, they quietly removed it. Their explanation? Let me read you this. We didn't feel it made sense for us to make one-sided commitments when competitors are moving fast. So basically, everyone is doing it, so we will too. The excuse we all learned not to use in primary school. Well done. And I was myself using Claude because of that specific promise. Because in a world where AI companies are just rushing without taking into consideration security safety, they had a clear red line, a real commitment. But now the new policy say this: the developers with the weakest protections would set the pace and responsible developers would lose their ability to do safety research. Translation: we are lowering our standards so like that we don't end up alone in the careful corner. Great. Concretely, here's what's changed. Before, if Anthropic couldn't prove that their safety measures were strong enough, they were not allowed to train new models. Full stop. Now, that rule is gone. Instead, they are promising more transparency reports, more documents, and more roadmaps. Basically, they went from "we won't build until it's safe" to "we will build it and write about the risk later." And the best part? Here's what an independent how do you say this word? Here's what an independent expert said after reading the document early. This is more evidence that society is not prepared for the potential catastrophic risks posed by AI. And we don't speak about Terminator or anything like this, like catastrophe, like the robot's gonna take our life. We are not talking about this kind of catastrophe, okay? But hey, the same week, the Pentagon situation was making way more noise. So nobody really looked at this. To sum up, the safest AI company in the world just removed their own safety rules quietly, and we just keep trusting them with our eyes closed. Everything is fine. Don't hesitate to follow if you want to be smartly depressed.